So you want to start a YouTube channel, but you got no money. You're broke. Well, in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can start a YouTube channel with $0. Okay? Nada. Keep on watching. Welcome back to my channel, and if it is your first time here, welcome. If you want to learn how to start a YouTube channel or even just to grow the YouTube channel that you already have, then you're in the right place because I'm here to help you grow your influence on YouTube using your videos. If that sounds like something that you're interested in, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you're getting value from this channel and if you haven't yet checked out the shop, please go ahead and check out the shop so you can support the channel. Thank you. So there's this misconception that you have to have money to start a YouTube channel. I'm going to show you that those things that you hear or think, it ain't true. Okay? It ain't true. So the first thing that you're going to need is a camera. You got a phone, right? I know you got a phone. The phone that you have is the perfect camera to start with. These cameras on the phone nowadays are literally the quality of a DSLR. So you can start with your phone. Believe it or not, all of these videos that you're seeing from me on my YouTube channel are from my phone. And I have a DSLR camera, but I'd rather to use my phone. So do you really need to go out and buy an expensive camera to get started? No. Use your phone. So starting a YouTube channel isn't about the resources that you have. It's all about how resourceful you can be and how much do you really want to get started. Next, let's talk about lighting. For the first half of my channel, when I started a couple months ago, all of my videos were from natural light, as in the sunlight, what God gave us. And that is the perfect resource. If you don't have a lighting kit, that is the perfect way to start a YouTube channel. Just be mindful of the time of day that you record. You want to record in the morning or in the evening. Those are the times when you get the best lighting, and that's the time when it's called the golden hour. So what's more important to them is the content value. Are they getting their question answered? Are they getting entertainment? Are they being motivated? Are they getting the best exercise? Are they getting ideas for their next vacation, where to go? So these are the things that are way more important than your production. These are the things that you want to focus on. Focus on creating valuable, great contents. Being that YouTube is so competitive and the platform is just growing by the days, one thing that you want to focus on is your audio. You need to have great audio. If you have a video with really great video quality, like for example, if you were looking at me right now, you're seeing me and everything, but you click on this video because of the title, but you're not hearing me properly, would you stay? I doubt it. So that's my example. If your video quality is great, but people cannot hear you, they're not going to stay. They're just going to click right off. And the last thing that you want to consider is an editor. You want a good editor, and there's a ton of good free editors out there, whether you're editing on a computer or a phone. So now you know, if you want to start a YouTube channel, you can start a YouTube channel for free. Use your phone for your camera. Use the sunlight that God gives you for your lighting, and get close to your phone for a better audio. And for editors, there are tons of free editors. Whether you're going to edit on a computer or a phone, you can use these editors. And boom, you're ready. You're ready to go. You're ready to start. Just make sure that you are creating valuable contents. Okay? That is what's important. Making sure that when people click on your video, they are getting what they click for, value. Okay? You'll be doing fine. You'll do great. If you want to see more videos just like this one, then go ahead and click that subscribe button and the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. And remember to go and check out the TB shop in the description so that you can support the channel. Remember, stay humble but keep hustling. I'll see you in the next video.